In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent on Canva Doc. It just takes a couple of clicks. Whether you're new to Canva or a seasoned user, knowing how to properly format your documents can make a world of difference in how they are perceived. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to head over to Canva and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, signing up is quick, and it gives you access to a ton of amazing design tools. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the home page filled with a variety of design templates and options. But our focus today will be on documents. Now, you're going to want to either create a new document canvas or open an existing document file where you would like to make edits. To do this, navigate to the Create a Design button, select Document, and you're good to go. If you're continuing work on something you've started before, just locate your file and open it up. Once your document is open, the next step is to select the section, paragraph, or specific word you want to indent. Simply click and drag your mouse over the text you want to change, being careful to only select what you need. Having your text selected is crucial because this tells Canva exactly where you want to apply the formatting changes. Remember, precision is key here. Next, you'll notice a floating toolbar appears the moment you highlight text. On this toolbar, locate the Increase Indent option and give it a click. It's usually represented by an arrow pointing to the right, symbolizing how your text will be moved. Clicking this will shift your selected text further in from the margin, giving it a professional and organized look. If at any point you feel like the indentation needs a little more tweaking, just click it again to increase the indent further. If you find you've gone too far with the indentation or simply want to undo it, there's a handy Decrease Indent option on that same toolbar. This function will move your text back to the left closer to its original position. It's always nice to have this flexibility, so you can play around with the formatting until it's just right for your needs. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to indent text in Canva Doc with just a few simple clicks. Whether you're preparing a business document or a creative manuscript, these practical steps can elevate your design, making your text neat and easy to read. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out more of our Canva tutorials to make the most of your design projects. Happy designing!